Hello again, friends. Welcome to the Beavertown compound. Beavertown Outdoors. I'm John. If you're new here, thanks for checking us out. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today is a greenhouse update, greenhouse and garden update that I've owed you guys for quite a while. There's been a lot of progress since my last video regarding this stuff. So hope you guys will stick around, check this out. And I think you'll be impressed. So as I'm sure everybody knows, it has been hot and dry. Till today, we finally got a bunch of rain overnight. We got a good amount of rain. But here's the cucumber plants. Boy, they're just, they're going gangbusters. And actually, we're gonna tie these up here today. Because we got some vines hanging down, but let's see if I can get it on camera, friends. There is, oh, where did you go? So I will show it when I, oh, no, there, where did it go? There are cucumbers. They actually have legitimate growing cucumbers. They're hidden right now. Yep, she's hidden, but that's okay. We'll find it. We'll show it to you. Whoops, get this back in focus here. And yeah, that's that. So more on this stuff later, but here in the greenhouse you can see it's a jungle in there. So let's take a look inside. And she's hot. So I've been having an issue with tomatoes. The peppers were starting to produce, but the tomatoes were starting to worry me because I wasn't getting much. But I looked today, there's one tomato. And back here are some more tomatoes. There we go. Can you guys see them? We're getting tomatoes. I'm pleasantly surprised. I was beginning to worry that there was no way getting the heat down enough in the greenhouse to get them to go, but we're getting them. And then over here, the pepper plants, these bad boys are really starting to produce now. We got peppers, got some chilies. We're doing good. All this hard work's starting to pay off, guys. Hopefully it's gonna pay off in pickled hot peppers, canned tomatoes, lots of food to sustain us for the long cold winter that inevitably will come for living in the great state of Michigan. So, but as much as I've tied up these tomato plants, they have grown and they are taking over. They're like aliens, they're just taking over. So that's a greenhouse, guys. Now let's check out the rest of the food plot. All right, so we're in this outside of the greenhouse. Here's my cabbage plants and broccoli. Plants are huge. You see right there. Well, there's a nice crown of broccoli and some more. That one's already kind of going to seed, so that's kind of disappointing, but that's to be. I guess that's to be expected. But we got some heads of broccoli here. And then the cabbages. Cabbage moths are having a field day with us, and yes, I know I need to weed this because these weeds are getting brutal. Look at these things. Take advantage of every drop of fertilizer I put in there, I'd say. But yeah. But these two are struggling a little bit, but these are ones that a certain dog you guys have seen in pictures named Louie decided to chase chipmunks out by by digging for them and dug up the plants. So, but we're getting there. We're, every year this is it's a learning experience. So, and here we got the strawberry plants, which the plants themselves are doing good. They're not producing. I'm a little disappointed in that. I'm getting some weeds in these. Let's make that go away. Damn weeds. So, even in the raised planters, you never can get away from weeding, apparently. I think they're a little swamped. We got a decent amount of rain, so we'll have to drain these down. But, yeah, that's okay. Over here, we got the cucumber plants, and there we go. Look at that, guys. Cucumber. I think there's a couple of them in here. There's another one over here. Oh, yep, there he is. Yep, another little guy over here. Another one here. So we're getting cucumbers. That'll make the missus happy. But we're gonna tie these up because I didn't put these nets up just for no reason. So we're gonna tie these up. Make it so they get a little more light and air and all that good stuff. So I'll be back after I do that. All right, so we got them all hung up now. But yeah, we got cucumbers. Got lots of them, actually. Every time I pulled up a vine, it seemed like I had one. So, and there's lots of female flowers and male flowers. And bugs are doing their job. If you're not familiar with how to tell a female flower, okay, here's a female. See how it's got the little fruit on the back end? Versus the male, which just has a stem. So, let's see, we got another cucumber there. Got lots of them in here. Big one there. So we're gonna be eating these soon. That's gonna be awesome. Debbie's gonna be happy. So, all right, guys. So I got them tied up for now. I'm sure there'll be more later, but basically, I know there's probably an art form to tying them perfectly, and I don't do it. What I've had luck with in the past, back when I used to plant them right in the ground, just had something to, once you tied them up, these little feelers, they'll find their way to here and they'll climb themselves up. So they just gotta know where to go. So it's just a suggestion for them. But that, and I drained some water out of the strawberry planters because they were swamped. I think that's why we're not producing. So hopefully that fixes that problem. But yeah, that'll do. So we're doing well. All right, guys. Well, I know this is short, but that's going to do it for this episode. Thank again, everybody, for who's come by and watched us and been supporting our channel. Last time I looked, 90% of the people that watch aren't subscribers. So just remember, it doesn't cost you a thing to subscribe for me. I'd appreciate it if you did. But come check us out again. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Till next time, be good to each other. Take care, be safe. I'm out.